Hey, welcome everyone. Pat Mitchell here with TrickTrades, and in this free video lesson, I'm going to explain why I traded a penny stock. Yes, that's right, me. I traded a penny stock this week. So let's get into it. Okay, folks. So this week here is Thanksgiving week. We have a day off today, which is Thursday, and then a short day on Friday. And traditionally, every Thanksgiving, like clockwork, we have a massive runner. Now, it hasn't happened yet, and we can still get it next week as well, but I was on high alert on a few potential penny stocks, and I'll go over a couple of them that I was watching. So let's go to the daily chart. So ANY, this is a reverse split. And then there was NBEV. And the reason why I liked NBEV for a potential was the downtrend. Big potential for this to break out. I could still do it because it's actually holding. You see where it pulled back, right? And it's holding this support line right here. Might as well mark that just to let you guys see. Right? So it's holding that. So it still could break out. So, you know, next week I would watch it. So let's go back over to ANY. So ANY is a reverse split. And with TC2000, it shows something a little bit different. So I'm going to pause it because I want to show you something. Okay, so on TC2000, I have the ability to show this, show unadjusted for splits, and that's kind of how I like it. And the reason why I like that is it shows the gap up, okay? Now, do you see how these reverse splits, it shows the gap up? Well, it's not a gap, it's a reverse split. So anyways, once this line here at 346 breaks, these things can really get crazy. And this really has to do with the line in the sand strategy, which is, pretty special to TrickTrades. It is something that is offered in the educational library, video lesson library, at TrickTrades.com. Tomorrow is a Black Friday special. All educational videos and scanners are going to be 25% off, so I'd make sure to take advantage of that. And with the line in the sand, that's one of the only ways that I will trade penny stocks nowadays, is looking for those squeeze zones, the line in the sand, the lines that I find get defended. And we'll go into the intraday now on ANY. So this was the day I was interested in it, not Wednesday, but Tuesday. Okay, I actually was looking to get involved in it on Monday, but I just wasn't liking what I was seeing. It ended up, it would have worked out. We would have caught a little bit of a squeeze here, but it just couldn't break those highs. So once I saw this volume come in here on Tuesday, now let me get, I just want to get zoomed in for you guys there. Now we have the whole day's action. So kind of pulled this opening range. You can see this nice opening range breakout, and it squeezed up, and then it looked like it was going to fail. But you see this purple line with eSignal. This is why I love eSignal. It has the ability to show the daily chart moving averages right on the intraday with this line, and it moves in real time as well. So it held that 9 EMA. So as soon as it reclaimed the VWAP, popped through, pulled back, held, proved the strength, I got in. Now I went long, and then I was just patient. I was thinking that towards the end of the day, we were going to get a really big squeeze, and that's what happened. Once you get these lines being defended, okay, and again, all they did with this stock all day is trap shorts. Okay, so they trapped them here, it held, popped up, trapped some more here with a lower high, held, squeezed up a little bit more, held here. This is where it was really going to trap shorts, right? A lot of shorts hammered this area. Lot of shorts in this now. There's a lot of shorts. And that's why I love the line in the sand strategy at TrickTrades is it shows you where these big, powerful squeezes are going to come in. After watching it, you'll be proficient in being able to spot these squeeze zones. So on AMY, as soon as it popped back up, it sold off, trapped more shorts, popped back up and held. Right here, I was, okay, this thing's going to squeeze up. It's probably going to end up halting. So I worked out where 10% would be, and I set it just my order to sell the majority of my position just before the halt area. And I set my order to sell the bulk of my position at 485. That's where I set it. Okay. So as soon as you see these two big squeeze candles, that's where it halted. E-signal doesn't show those halts where it kind of just like this. I'll show you the difference here. You can see the halt right in here. It's a little hard to see, but I'm not going to zoom in, but you can see the halt. So also at this time, right before it started squeezing, Guy Gentile, that owns SureTrader and SpeedTrader and DAS, he started taunting shorts, saying he was going to squeeze the stock. So now I know there's going to be another squeeze coming. So I ended up, after the halt, it just kind of held, and it was holding. It was holding this area here, which is great. It didn't have the weakness to come down to test those highs. So it's still pretty strong. And then it squeezed again. So right here, as soon as it broke these highs, I took off some more, and then I held overnight. I was going to hold looking for a potential gap up and another squeeze. It hasn't happened. It didn't happen yet. All it did yesterday was, it popped, and then it sold off. I took it off right in this area. I kind of gave up on it. Said, fuck, I'll come back, and we'll revisit this again. So walked away with a really nice trade. But now I want to show something here. Now, do you see this area here? Right in here? Just above 4? Well, that's getting defended again. All right? So if this squeezes up and it breaks this range, according to the line in the sand strategy, right in here, if that breaks, it's going to squeeze. And if this breaks, it'll test highs here in a heartbeat. And if that breaks, we'll see 950s, possibly 10. So I'll be watching this on Friday. So I just wanted to explain, I'll give you guys a little bit of an idea of the line in the sand strategy. It seems to be something that some other person is talking about right now, where the line in the sand strategy is something that we've had at TrickTrades for years now. And like I said, it's being offered in the educational library. It's really cheap. You'll also get an additional 25% off on Black Friday, so tomorrow on Friday. So I would definitely come take a look at that, and come check out TrickTrades.com. I have a 20% Trick20 coupon that you can use for the first month of, you'll basically get 20% off. And if you're interested in mentoring, you can use mentoring 10 to get 10% off recurring on that one. So that's what I have for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Study this chart and really take a look at it. Also right now, take a look around you. There is some pop-ups of videos. Look especially at the day trading education. That's all my free education. Remember, folks, that's just the free stuff. The stuff behind the members paywall is the gold. And we will see you guys around. Have a good one, guys. Adios. Happy Thanksgiving.